Hi everyone. Now I'm creating the first part of the plumber block, that is the body design. So this is a body, this is a front view, and this is the top of the body. What I do, I'll create the half part of this, then I'll mirror this. So you can take the screenshot of the various parts of the plumber block. There are 8 parts here. Today I am going to create this body design. I'll go to the mechanical design. Under mechanical design, go to the part design. I'll call this as a body part 1. Select the plane, choose the sketch mode. Roughly you draw this half of this. Next I'll go for this arc. Now the center of this arc is here. So what I do, I'll draw a line, horizontal line till here. Then I'll go for arc command. This is the center of the arc. Trim this also. Now try to give the dimension for the various parts of this. I'll double click on this. So this dimension is half of 168. One 68, half of 168. Just I'll drag this little bit here. So I'll delete this. There is this kind of shape here. What I do, I'll zoom this little bit. delete this. And this horizontal distance is 4 mm. See here, this is 4 mm here. Next, this radius I'll delete this. This is half of 38. See here, half of 38. And next one is here to here, it is half of 44. So from here to here it is half of 44. Next height is 55. Height is 55. Next, this is 14. From here to here it is 14. Next, this height is 12 here. Next, this is 3. This is 3 now. See here, from the center to this dimension is 43. See here. Okay, from the center to this is 43. Nothing but from the center to this is 43. Next, from here to here it is half of 38. Now I'll exit from the workbench. I'll try to give this radius later. Go for CAD command. Total extrude is 36. So I'll take from the midplane 36 half here, 36 half here, half of 36, half of 36. So I'll go for mirror extend 36 by 2. So nothing but see here 18 from this side, 18 here, 18 from the midplane here and 18 from this side. So total will be 36 here. Next I need to create this hole. I'll take this plane. This is the diameter of this hole is 10.5. I'll take it as a diameter. So from the center it is how much? Half of 62. From here to here it is half of 62. Exit from the workbench. Go for the cutout. Up to next. This is a hole created now. Next I need to give a fillet off by selecting this edge. You go for the fillet command. Fillet radius is how much? 6 mm here. Okay, this is a fillet of 6 mm radius. Next I need to create this cutout. This cutout is, you see from the top view, this is a cutout, rectangular cutout I need to create. The dimension of this one is in such a way that from the center it is how much? The distance between this, the center of this to this is 8 mm here. From here to here this is 8 mm, nothing but from here to here it is 8 mm. Next here also he has given 8 mm, 8 mm, 8 mm here, this is also 8 mm. So what I do, I'll select this, I'll go for the sketch mode. I'll take a rectangle, or simply I'll draw a rectangle like this. I'll go for dimensioning. From here to here it is 8 mm. From here to here it is 8 mm. So this cutout should be to a depth of how much? 7 mm here. See the in the front view, this is I need to dig the material to a depth of 7 mm here. Sketch, go for cutout, give the this is the direction, give the dimension, it is 7 mm depth of cut. See here, this is 7 mm depth of cut. Next, I need to create one more rectangular cutout of depth 7 mm from this, and the dimension of this should be a rectangular of 20 mm dimension. So I have chosen this plane. Now I will go for rectangle by center rectangle. See here. Otherwise, what do? You draw the circle like this, sorry, rectangle like this, then the center of this and the center of this should coincide. Concentric. This is 20 mm. The depth of cut should be how much? 7 mm. So this is a cutout. Next, there is a hole. What I do, I choose this plane, go for sketch mode. Next, I'll draw this kind of shape. There is a command here, this command, elongated hole. Center of that should lie on the wall, this. Here I want this elongated hole. So this should be 8 mm. See here, this is 8 mm. From the center to this center should be 8 mm. Nothing but this edge should be 8 mm. This radius should be 5 mm radius. See here, even if I try to change this, it's not changing. So why? There is a dotted line here, axis line. You delete that line first. So delete this, delete the what? This axis line. So you can give the radius now 5 mm. this is also fine, huh? Next here. Next, this from here to center of this should be how much? Here, half of 128. Okay. Next, this will be 4. This is 4, and this will be 4. So, while giving the dimension, from here to here, half of 128 plus of 4, total is 68. Next, it is not turned into what green color. So what do? You give this dimension also. This is 60. Because this is 68 till the center, till here it is 68. 68 minus of 4 is 64, minus of again 4, 60 here. So you exit from this workbench, you go for the cutout, till next. Next one is, I need to remove extra material. Okay, this is the radius of how much? 43. I'll do it later. First, I'll mirror this. I'll go for mirror. Choose the command, select the plane, ZX plane. So this is our body of the plumber block. Now I need to remove this material. Okay, how to remove this material? I need a little bit of circle like structure here. So it is, the circle is how much? 43. What I do, I'll select this plane. Go for the circle. The dimension of this circle should be how much? The radius of this is 43 here. This is 43 radius. Next you draw one more circle, a little bit bigger than this, of any dimension that is left to you. You can create this much of circle, or this much of circle, this much of circle. But whatever the material is there in between these two circles, it will be removed. But this material will be removed, and this material will be removed here. Okay. See here. I'll exit the command workbench. Go for cutout. See here. I want from here to here. It is how much? 55 minus of 14. 55 minus of 14 here. See here. I got a fillet kind of edge here at the surface. So all the parts are created here. Next I need to create an oil hole here. Okay, in order to create this, I need to create a plane here. Okay, our plane is exactly at this plane, exactly at the bottom here. So I need to create a one more plane here. Okay, I need to offset this plane. So the height of that should be 55 minus of 12 minus of 3, half of 38. Okay, that is the offset distance of the plane. So I'll go for the plane. This plane I need to offset xy plane to a depth of how much? 55 minus of 12 minus of 3 minus of 38 by 2. This is a plane, 21 mm offset plane. I'll give a little bit more than that also you can give. I'll give around 22. I'll select this plane. I'll go for the hole command. A blind hole, how much it is? A blind hole of diameter how much? 6 mm diameter. First choose the word, the position of the hole, exactly center. Do the constants here, coincide. Next, this should coincide on this. Select this and this plane. Now it is exactly at the center. This is 6 mm diameter to a depth of how much? 6. So I've taken the plane. Let me see. The plane is 22. It was previously it was 21. So 1 mm is extra, no? So I'll go for the hole. One mm extra, so it is 6 plus 1. That was 7 mm, and it is a V bottom. So eye hole is created here. 10 mm diameter, depth is it is 6. So I have created a plane exactly little bit more than this 1 mm here. So it is 1 plus of 6. So this is a final view of the body.